Next is the installation of the valley pan, because you cannot just reuse it. It comes with a profile gasket, so you can't buy that separately. And then when you transfer these clips, these wire clips that actually route the alternator cable. So this is the front, so the closer one to the front faces towards the passenger side, and the farther one from the front faces the driver's side of the engine. Just have to transfer them. Alright, so final tightening torque. The valley pan bolts is 12 Newton meters.